and welcome to another video from the woodshed. I'm Adam Pont, the Wooden Medic. Please enjoy the next video. I hope to give you a little hint of what the world is like in my little woodshed. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you afterwards. Hello. Today is going to be a little bit of a tour of the workshop. People may want to know what the Wooden Medic's woodshed is. Well, it is literally a shed. I have my shop set up at home in a 10 by 10 garden shed. I have insulated it and got a little bit of heat in here because I live in Minnesota, and in Minnesota you have to deal with this. It gets a little chilly. So let's get started with the tour here at the woodshed. So as you can see, there's the door. It is a double door which can be opened, and I can get bigger pieces in and out. All right, so as you come into the door, let's take off to the left here and see what there is to see. Off to the left here, you've got, as you come in, there's, like I said, there's a second door. Got some patches up on the wall and some paper towels, because every shop needs paper towels, and gloves. As we come around the corner, to the corner, up on the shelf there, we got a little rack. On that rack, I usually hang my, as you can see, my mask for my lung protection. Up there in the corner there, I usually hang my earmuffs and my apron. So as we come around a little further, we get into a toolbox that has all the little bitty hand tools and stuff that I might need throughout the day. As we go a little further, we get into our power tool station. I've got my impact, a couple other drills, a heat gun. I even got my saw hung up in there, some sanders, planers, stuff like that. A little bit of storage for sandpaper up above. As we move down a little further, I have a little rack for my sandpaper, for my orbital sander. If we step back and we look down, we run into the miter saw. And on the flip side of that is my planer. Helps me save a lot of space by having those two on that same table there. That flip table's pretty sweet. It's a thing I found on YouTube and threw it together real quick. Saved me a ton of space. Over we go along, up on the wall we got a little blade storage. Tucked back in the corner is screws and nails and such. Down in the corner on the floor, unfortunately, is a pile of scrap and other shortcuts and stuff like that. I go into that little box a lot to get things done. Across my back wall, you will see some shelving that has my paints, my stains, my clamps are hanging up there, some garden supplies, because again, this is my garden shed. Sitting down below that is my fold-up Cobalt table saw, 10-inch job site table saw. Again, folding up was a big deal when I bought that. Had to have something that was compact. As we go over in the other corner down here, you've got a lot more scrap wood. As we pan around the walls, you'll see I've got stuff hung everywhere. Stuff on my countertop, extra wood, glue, pieces for projects. Then I get into where my bandsaw station is. That is very light and portable. I can pull that out when I need it, more space-wise. And tucked in the very corner is my little drill press. And then we're back to the beginning. Now, that's got everything pushed out. So let me show you my working space. Oh, there's my working space. It's a little table I built that I got to redo because the legs are wonky. But I do all my building pretty much on that table. It's my workstation. So let me also show you my finishing station, which is, of course, very crucial in woodworking. Oh, look, there it is. Look familiar? And my big job space. Oh, look. Yeah, everything is within reach in this shop. So it's very efficient until you want to do something bigger. Down tucked underneath my bench over there, I also have a joiner, small desktop joiner. And my desk collection system is a 5-gallon bucket with a cyclone on it, and my trusty shop vac. Now, I told you I do have heat in here. I actually can get it very comfortable in the winter. I'm currently sitting at about 70 degrees in here, based off a little propane tank and a little buddy heater. Problem with that is there's 2 power levels to that little buddy heater. It's either high or low. You can kind of cheat a little below low, but there's no thermostat to it, therefore there is no temperature regulation. So right now I'm ripping through a lot of gas every winter, but at least I'm warm and I can work all winter long. So that's it. That's the whole of the woodshed. Come spring and summer, though, I do open the double doors and I do a lot of big work outside. Everything can be rolled out there and I can do a lot of work outside, which I prefer to do. Gives me a lot more room, obviously, to work and build and do finishing. So that's the woodshed. I hope you enjoyed my little tour. If you have any questions about anything you saw in here, feel free to shoot me a comment, email, or whatever. I would love to hear from you. If you have suggestions how to use this space better, I would really love those. For now, I'm Ed LaPlante, the Wooden Medic. We'll see you around.